Everyone wants money, but most people only know 2 or 3 ways to earn it. What if I told you there are people making money from games, phones, videos, AI, and even sleeping? Here are the top 10 ways people are making money in 2026. 10. Selling notes and study materials. Good at studying, then your notes are valuable. Students sell PDF notes, summaries, and question papers online. Some even make monthly income just from handwritten notes. Skill needed basic studying. 9. Gaming content. You don't need a gaming PC anymore. People upload funny moments, tutorials, and shorts from mobile games and get millions of views. Examples: Minecraft, GTA, Free Fire, Roblox. Even short videos can grow super fast. 8. Affiliate marketing. You recommend products and earn commission when someone buys. Many creators make money by sharing Amazon or tech product links. Share link, someone buys, you earn. 7. Freelancing. If you can edit videos, design logos, write, or even translate languages, you can freelance online. Some teenagers already earn from clients worldwide. 6. YouTube automation. Faceless YouTube channels are exploding right now. People use AI voice, stock clips, and editing to make videos without showing their face. Facts, motivation, gaming, finance, AI. 5. Print on demand. Design a cool t-shirt once, and websites print and ship it for you whenever someone orders. No stock, no factory, just creativity. 4. Social media management. Many small businesses don't know how to post online, so they pay people to manage Instagram, YouTube, or Facebook pages. 3. AI content creation. AI tools can now create thumbnails, scripts, voices, and even animations. People are making entire businesses using AI. AI creativity equals opportunity. 2. Selling digital products. Digital products are powerful because you make them once and sell forever. Examples: ebooks, presets, templates, study PDFs. 1. YouTube itself. YouTube is still one of the biggest opportunities. A single viral video can completely change someone's. And the best part, you can start with just a phone. So, which money-making method surprised you the most? Comment below and subscribe for more future ideas. Hit subscribe. Every 2 subscribers force me to upload another video.